Hey guys, I hope you all are fine. You all are welcome to see Talkcam website review. In this video, you all will get to know that whether the website is legit or it is a scam. Guys, this is not our website, so the review is totally unbiased. So let's have the quick review of this homepage. So guys, this is their homepage and these all are their product. So let's check it out their one product guys. So basically this is Emotion Tide 103 sit-in kayak, paddle included, which cost $85.68. There is some description for this product with some features. Also they have described some specification, as you all can see that. Also guys, you can share this product on Facebook, Twitter and Pinterest as they have mentioned their button. So let's check it out the menu section. So this is the menu section and there is an option for best kayak, so you can check it out from here. Okay guys, let's check it out the about us page. So this is the about us page and they have described about their website, but guys you can see that the information is very less. Let's check it out their contact us page. So for the contact purpose they have provided their email ID. Let's check it out their privacy policy. So this is their privacy policy page guys, and they have described all their privacy possibility for their website, like what kind of personal data they use, how they collect and how they use of it, communicating with us, cookies, security and so on. Let's check it out their return policy guys. So this is their return policy page and they have described about the return policy, also refund policy. Let's check it out their shipping policy. So this is their shipping information page and the processing time is normally 5 to 9 business days. Shipping time is 3 to 10 business days. Let's check it out their terms of services. So guys, this is their terms of services page and they have defined all their terms and conditions for their website. Okay guys, let's go to the home page. So according to me, this website is possibly scam as there are no Google reviews for it. Also guys, the domain name is created only 4 months ago, so this is very new website to be trusted. Also guys, there is very low traffic volume. So as per my concern, replacing and purchasing order from this website is not relevant. So if you like my video, please hit the like button, and if you want to scam website, so subscribe to this channel. Do share your comment in the comment box below. Share your experience with this website. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you so much. Bye bye and take care.